All right, welcome to the FMI Show. Today we're going to go back over to Bitcoin and ADA, look at some of the pricing and targets that we had for last week, and then we're going to look at an NFT project and some price action in an NFT project I find interesting. Plus, we got a little tool we want to show you that might help you out. All right, so we got Bitcoin up here, and just wanted to say, we were talking about if we went up, we'd probably hit resistance around 32. It did come in a little shorter than that as for right now, but I just wanted to bring this up here. When we were trading real tight right here, right at the end, you had a lot of people saying, you had 50% of the people saying it was going to go down, 50%. It's kind of the norm, but you have to look at what indicators you're using and look at the patterns that it's trading in. And like bullish patterns can break bearish and bearish patterns can break bullish, but typically you have a higher percent of a bullish pattern breaking bullish in a bull market and a bearish pattern breaking bearish in a bear market. You just have a higher chance. It's all percentage. How do you tell? And what we were talking about is if you notice on Bitcoin, the moving averages are starting to ascend and head up. This typically shows that we're starting the bull market, which your bull patterns are going to have a higher percentage of breaking bullish. I was more on the side that we were going to go up, not down here. Again, it's all a percentage thing. You can't ever predict black swan events. There's always that percentage that you go down. But typically, when you're in a bull market, your patterns are going to break more bullish. All right, now this is ADA, and we left this channel we pulled just to kind of show you here. This is the channel we pulled here last Friday, just to show you that we were down and around the bottom here, and we were saying that's been trading in this channel, that we'd probably come up to the top, and I'd be around that 42. And we did break above that. We went all the way, but if you look here, we come back. I drew this line here to kind of continue the channel to show you we're still respecting the top part of that channel. And like I said about channels, you have to respect it until it breaks. And as of right now, it looks like it's holding as resistance here, but it is a ascending level of resistance. So we'll see if it comes and trades back down to the bottom part of the channel. But if as of right now, it is hitting as resistance right now. All right. And if your project is going to be confirmed to be at cnft we want to bring you up on our channel and give you a little spot. So until the event from now, we're going to be announcing projects that get in touch with us that they're going to be at cnft give you a little spot. So definitely comment below on your project if you are confirmed to have a table at cnft. All right, so the first project we want to bring up today is Ape Nation. They've been around a while. They got a lot of followers. It's just we've seen a lot of ruckus on Twitter, and we kind of jumped over and see kind of what was going on. And that's when we did find this mutant that we just, like I said in the comments, didn't really find the interest in the mutant NFTs myself, but this one I just liked the art in it, really liked it, and then kind of dove in from there. And no, it's been a great project. Everyone's been pretty cool, and we're enjoying it so far. So let's kind of take a look at it real quick. All right, so right now the floor price for the Ape Nation is going for 48 ADA. And we got some pretty cool ones right here in that area. We like the ones with the ape hats. It's pretty cool. We got the one that has the dice. Since we're going to be going to Vegas, I had to get one with the dice because I'm going to try not to gamble too much while I'm there, but we'll see. Yeah, this one right here is the one we picked up with the dice. All right, so we bring up their 2023 roadmap here, and they're looking pretty active here. And one big thing we've seen here is they're going to have a CNFTCon giveaway in Q3. Plus, it says CNFTCon, so are they going to be there and have their own table? I just want to confirm that before I say anything, but that's definitely the reason why we're also bringing them up. We think this is a great price. You know, check out Twitter and follow the guys there, because as you see, they're a very active community, and I think the price is at a good range to get in. They're going to be doing the cross-chain ordinals on Bitcoin, and we were listening to a space the other day, and they were like, we're not leaving Cardano, we're just trying to get people to come over. Crypto's a big space, and we just want more attention here because Cardano has a lot to offer, and if we can just get them over here to look at us, you know, I think it's a great idea. So that's definitely something to look at for them. All right, let's look at a little NFT charting. This is pretty cool. This is the tool we were talking about. So this is taptools.io, and this is the buy and sell on. Right now we have Ape Nation up. And if you look at this right here, it's kind of like a tweezer candle, usually shows kind of like the bottom, you know, and we have an opportunity to make this a fully bullish engulfing candle. So we'll see how that closes out. But as you see at that area right there was levels of resistance. We had some resistance back here and support, and back here where you see when it started off as resistance, and then we flipped over to support. So this is a neat tool, and you can use this to a lot of the ADA coins. You can type in here and do a little charting on those if that's something that you find is interesting. We think this is pretty cool. We just want to click back over here just to kind of show you some confirmed purchases, accepted offers over here at JPEG Store, and we do see, I think that shows about right. Now, some of these smaller ones here, you got one for 35. This was an accepted collection offer, but for the most part, the ones that are purchased are around that floor price. And so I think that is something to look at. I think this is definitely going to probably hold, especially with all the stuff that they've been announcing. And it's a good price to get in my opinion. Always do your own research. All right, so the next project I just want to talk about real quick was Bright Pals. I just noticed a lot of buys happening on Twitter because I followed the account that shows when everyone gets bought, and I kind of came over here to this taptools.io and notice it's up 45.45%, and you see this big green candle over here. So this app, this site is just really useful. I really like it. It gives you a lot of information. Go and check it out. Like I said, you can type in any CNFT, all these ADA coins you can type in and chart them. I think this is really useful. So go check the taptools.io and tell me what you think. All right, that's all we got for today. I'm gonna wrap it up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you next time. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough.